Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some chicken and beans. So let's get toasting. I have a tray of chicken thighs here. I've been eating on these for a few days. These were $2.49 a pound, so $11.58 for that tray of chicken thighs. So I rinsed a couple of these off here. I'm going to trim some of the excess skin and fat off because I'm going to cook them in that 10-inch cast iron skillet, and that just add the beans in with them. So this will kind of make them a little less fatty if I trim some of that extra skin and fat off there. Alright, I'll do the other one. And I'm going to season these with some kosher salt. And some Johnny's seasoned pepper. I already did the bottom side of that one. Besides pepper, it says sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. And I'm going to add this can of pork and beans. I got these for 99 cents at the grocery outlet. Love the grocery outlet. There's one about a half mile for about a half an hour from my house, so save quite a bit of money there. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of the seasoning on top of the beans as well. Now we'll get that into the toaster oven. I set my oven to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll let you guys know how long that takes. It's been 30 minutes, so I'm going to check on this. This looks done, but I'm going to check the internal temperature real quick. It should be at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. And it's 200, so it's done. It's well above that. I think I'm going to brush a little BBQ sauce on there and then put it back in the oven for just a couple more minutes to caramelize the sauce a little bit. You know what? I'm going to add a little bit of sauce to the beans as well, because that'll give them a little bit more flavor. Alright, I'll brush that on and we'll get it back in the oven. This has been in there for a couple more minutes. Let's see how it looks. Oh yeah, this smells really good. Let's cut into a piece of the chicken. Actually, let me taste the beans while I'm doing that. Adding the barbecue sauce to the beans makes them really good. Oh, look at that chicken. Looks nice and juicy. That looks really good. All right. I hear Annie getting up. She's stirring. Let's try that chicken. That chicken came out really good. It's nice and juicy. Annie's over there wanting to try it. Ready to try it, Annie? There you go. That turned out really good. Easy to make. Cooking time was about half an hour. You know, if you have a little bread and salad, you got a whole meal. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.